Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create the eye filter trend video on TikTok. So if you've been seeing the eye filter trend videos on TikTok and you want to create it yourself, then let me show you how to get this filter. So before you begin, first go to your app store. You want to go ahead and search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're searching for the following eye trend filters. Go ahead and search for that. Now in the search results, you're looking for this eye trend, which looks like this. Tap on that. And these are all the types of video that you're going to create. So you'll have your eyes for different expressions. So it basically shows what your eyes would look at different expressions. So once you're ready, you can go ahead and tap on use as effect. Now you want to go ahead and show an eye. Now you're going to go ahead and press record and then go ahead and tap on different expressions. So tap on the first one, then second and third and fourth. And once that's done, you can go ahead and post your video to TikTok. Now for those of you who cannot find this filter, I'll put the link in the description down below. If you cannot still see it or if you cannot access it, unfortunately it's not available in your region and you'll just need to wait until TikTok releases for you. So there you go guys, that is how to create the eye filter trend video on TikTok and how to get the filter. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.